If you use Firefox and you want to sign out from all of your Gmail accounts at once, this quick method can save you a lot of time. Instead of logging out of each account manually, you can clear the browser cookies and site data, which forces Gmail to sign out across the browser. Before we begin, make sure you understand that this will sign you out of other websites too, not just Gmail. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three horizontal lines, also called the menu button. From the menu, click Settings. On some versions, this may also appear as options, but it will take you to the same place. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps the tools for managing cookies, browsing data, and account-related website storage. Now scroll down until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. This section controls the data websites store in your browser, including login sessions. To sign out of Gmail everywhere in Firefox, click Clear Data or Clear Browsing Data. A small window will appear with two checkboxes. Make sure both boxes are selected, cookies and site data, and temporary cached files and pages. These are the items that keep you logged in and store website files locally on your device. After both boxes are checked, click Clear. Firefox may take a moment to process the request, depending on how much data is stored. Once it finishes, the cookies and temporary files will be removed, and Gmail will no longer recognize your active sessions in Firefox. That means all Gmail accounts signed in through this browser should now be signed out at once. To confirm it worked, go back to Gmail in Firefox. You should see the sign-in page instead of your inbox. If multiple Google accounts were logged in, they should all be cleared from the browser session. If you still see anything signed in, refresh the page or fully close and reopen Firefox, then check again. One helpful tip is to remember that this method only signs you out in Firefox. Your Gmail accounts may still be signed in on Chrome, Edge, your phone, or any other device. So if your goal is full account security, you may also want to review your Google account devices and sign out from those separately. And that's it, you've now signed out from all Gmail accounts at once in Firefox by clearing the browser cookies and site data. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials, security tips, and browser tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.